Step by Step French Part 14. Dear friends, kindly watch by all means the previous parts in a systematic way so that you will understand and profit from this series. Remember, those who have perseverance and endurance will learn very good language. Let's get started. With the preposition with in French, it is called avec. Avec. Now, with me in French, it is called avec moi. Avec moi. With you in French, with you, it is called avec vous. Avec vous. Here the vous is a respectful you. The noun bag, for instance, in French it is called sac. Sac. Now, a C which is preceded by an N is not pronounced in French. You will see in the example, for instance, white wine, the English word white wine, in French it is called vin blanc. Vin blanc. Now, the N, the C which is preceded by N is not pronounced. So the N which comes before C is not pronounced. Therefore, we say blanc. Blanc. Vin blanc. A glass in French is called un verre. Un verre. Now, a glass of white wine, how do you say it in French? You see, the adjective in French comes after the noun. Notice that. A glass of white wine. Un verre de vin blanc. Un verre de vin blanc. Un verre, the glass, de, of, vin means wine, blanc, white. Wine, white. So in English we say white wine, but in French it is reversed. Vin blanc. Notice that. I would like a glass of white wine. How do you say it in French? I would like a glass of white wine. Je voudrais un verre de vin blanc. Je voudrais un verre de vin blanc, s'il vous plaît. We can say that. Bottle in French, it is called bouteille. 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 I would like a bottle. How do you say it in French? I would like a bottle. Je voudrais une bouteille. Here it is a feminine noun, therefore we use the article, feminine article. Je voudrais une bouteille. How do you say now? I would like a bottle of white wine. Think and give your answers. Do not look at the answers. I would like a bottle of white wine. Je voudrais une bouteille de vin blanc. Je voudrais une bouteille de vin blanc. Water in French it is called eau. Just like English eau, it is written as E-A-U, but you just say eau. Eau. I would like a glass of water. How do you say it in French? I would like a glass of water. Je voudrais un verre d'eau. Je voudrais un verre d'eau. I would like a glass of mineral water. We put the adjective mineral. How do you say it in French? Mineral will come after the noun water in French. I would like a glass of mineral water. Je voudrais un verre d'eau minérale. Je voudrais un verre d'eau minérale. Merci. ధన్యవాదములు. A bientôt. See you soon, guys.